Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Seb, which one do I say?
Today I did this really pretty glittery bronzy eye look, and I did that using the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Thanks guys! First I'm going to go ahead and moisturize with my MAC Strobe cream. And I believe this is in Golden Light. Or the gold one. I'm going to moisturize my lips with my Carmex. I actually don't really like this lip balm, but it's the only one that was nearby. Now I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids using my Laura Mercier Weet Primer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my primer with my Wet n Wild single eyeshadow in the color Brulee. Next, I'm going to take this fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Isabel from the Makeup by Mario palette. And this is going to be my transition shade for today. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that all over my crease. Next, I'm going to take another blending brush and take the color Violeta. With this shade, I'm just going to concentrate it a little lower on the crease, but I am going to blend it out and make sure it's seamless. Next, I'm going to take Violeta and pack it on the outer corner. Now for the fun part, I'm going to take this Stila liquid eyeshadow in Bronzed Belle. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on the eyelid. And I'm going to try to kind of do like a cut crease look, but I'm not going to go all the way. So it's kind of like a half cut crease. Next, I'm going to prime my face with my Cover FX primer. And I'm going to set my nose because that's where I get really oily. So I'm going to do that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. For foundation today, I'm going to use this Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade Dawn. And I kind of feel like this shade is a little off. I can't really tell what it is. In person, it looks kind of light, like kind of grayish. So I'm not sure. Maybe the undertone's just off. I can't return it because I got it for as a Christmas gift. Well, also it's like way after December. But I'm just waiting to run out of it, and then I'll pick up a new shade and go get like properly color matched. For concealer, as you guys saw, I'm going to use my Wet n Wild concealer in light medium. Next, I'm going to set my concealer with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm also going to dust that powder all over my face. Once I'm done swooping all the powder off my face, I'm going to bronze with my Bobbi Brown Golden Light bronzer. I'm kind of getting over this bronzer. I do like it a lot, but recently I kind of feel like it's looking a little red. So I think I'm going to have to either find a new bronzer or just kind of stop using this one. I do remember I love the Butter Bronzer, and I do love Benefit's Hoola. Those never pull red at all. For blush, I'm going to use a little bit of the BECCA Wild Honey blush. For highlight today, I'm using this KIKO Eyeshadow in 208. Next, I'm going to go ahead and comb out my eyebrows and then just run some Glossier Boy Brow in them. And I use the black shade. I really like this product because you can really get in there and it really grabs onto every little hair that you have, so it really makes your eyebrows look even more full. So I really like that. Next, we're going to go ahead and focus on the lower lash line. First, I'm going to use this MILANI black eyeliner in the waterline, and then I'm going to smudge it out with Isabel and Violeta from the Makeup by Mario palette. So first, I'm going to take the shade Isabel, which is the lighter one, the more orangey toned brown. I'm going to smudge and set the black eyeliner, and then now I'm going to go ahead and take the darker brown, Violeta, and then kind of get it closer to the black eyeliner, and then kind of marry the light brown with the black eyeliner. Here I'm taking my eyelash curler, and I'm going to curl my lashes and put some mascara on them before I put my falsies. And I recently picked up a new tube of this L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black and Waterproof, but I actually do not like it anymore. Or I don't know what's wrong with this tube, but I don't know. I feel like it's not waterproof because after I curled my lashes and put the mascara on, it still made my eyelashes fall, which is very strange. So I actually just went back and picked up a Big Shot mascara again. But this used to be my favorite mascara. Next, I'm going to use these gorgeous lashes from SIRIMIRI Sol. Next for lips, I'm going to kind of blank out my lips a little bit with a little bit of leftover foundation from the beauty sponge, and then I'm going to kind of run some powder over them. And I'm going to line my lips first with this NYX brown lip liner. And then after I'm done lining my lips, I'm going to use this new product today. This is a NARS liquid lipstick in this shade Get It On. Once I'm done putting on the liquid lipstick, I'm going to kind of pat my lips together to try to blend it into the lip liner, but that wasn't really working, so I went ahead and got a Q-tip to blend the liquid lipstick into the lip liner, and then I'm also going to grab the lip liner again and kind of feather out the lip liner so that it blends in well with the liquid lipstick. And I really like this lip combo. Last step, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with some Lavender MAC Fix Plus. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!